Let's open the box of Motorola Edge 60 Pro and let me show you what we can find inside the box. So let's get right into it. There we go. Of course, we have this little paper box where we can find accessories inside. We have our phone. So let me try to take it out. We're gonna unbox the phone just in a second. Before we do that, let me first take a look what we can find inside over here. So let's open the paper box. There we go. And here we have all accessories. By the way, this is the European version, so there might be slight differences in different regions. For example, over here in the European version, we do not have the charger, the power box, as you can see over here on this box. But as far as I know, for example, in India, the charger is actually included inside the box. So keep that in mind. All right. And over here, of course, we have the USB-C cable. It is USB-C on both ends. We have some instructions, user manual. We have the eject tool to remove the SIM tray from the phone to insert our SIM card, and some additional information. And we also have a case, a protective case. I think I'm not gonna remove it, but it's pretty simple. In this case, it is gray, or maybe greenish actually, like dark green, which seems to be the same as the color of the phone. So you actually get a matching protective case. And that's pretty much it in terms of accessories. So not much, of course, but this is pretty standard nowadays, especially the lack of chargers in Europe at least. Alright, so let me quickly unbox the phone. Alright, there we go. I have chosen this green color. I think the official name is Pantone Shadow. And this is how it presents. Of course, we have curved display. We have 3 buttons on the right side of the phone. So we have the power button and 2 volume buttons. Let's take a look at the top. Over here we have the information that we have Dolby Atmos. We also have the microphone, and here is additional button. I'm gonna check in a second what it exactly does because I'm not sure. But at the bottom over here, of course, we have the SIM tray, we have the microphone, the port, the charging port, USB-C port, and a speaker. Okay, so I just checked the user manual, and this button over here is the AI button, which is actually customizable according to the user manual, so we can customize the function of this button apparently. I'm just gonna check that once I turn on the phone. And there we go, that's pretty much it. This is how the phone presents, this is how it looks like, and of course these are all accessories that we get inside the box of Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.